Hey Aquarius, Giannis Weeks here, and in this video I am doing your December 2019 love reading. What's that in my... Okay, yeah, so I'm doing your love reading for December 2019. How's it going? I hope all is well with you. Yeah, let's get started with your love reading. I don't want to take up your time. And BS, I do want to do a thumbnail though, because my thumbnails be looking fucking ratchet, like really. So all right. Anyways. Oh, all right. So Aquarius. Aquarius, 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 Aquarius. Aquarius. What is the overall energy for the Aquarius for December 2019? What is their overall energy? Give me a clear answer, Spirit guys. What is their overall energy this month? All right, so we're starting off with the Three of Wands. So right off the bat, you guys are in this energy of expansion, okay? So I feel like in love, you want things to move forward. You want things to progress forward between you and this person. This could also be you making a trip to travel to this person. So this person could live at a distance from you. Like this could be like a long distance relationship. It could also be you wanting to make plans with this person so that, you know, because we do have Christmas coming up. So it could be, you know, y'all making plans to go see their family or for them to go see your family. You know, just making plans to, you know, do something together, whether it be traveling. Some of you may be like deciding to move to this person decides to move to you, but it's just about progress, things moving forward. Okay, but we what's wrong with me today? Sorry about that. Well, we do have a double here, so I feel like you want things to move forward with this person, even though you kind of feel like this person is not good for you. Because what I'm seeing is like you feel addicted to this person. This person is your addiction. This person is your drug. It's like, you know, like they're not the best for you, but you're just like, I don't fucking care. I am crazy about this person, okay? That's just what I'm seeing here. This person could be like a really hard temptation for you to fight, you know. It could be like you guys have a soul tie. You know, a lot of times soul ties are created during sex, so this person could be really good in bed, but I feel like you're addicted to this person. We also have the Empress here, so some of you may be pregnant. You may find out that you're pregnant, or you may want to get pregnant by this person. I feel like this person got you open is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, this person has you open. Okay, so if you don't want to have no kids, you need to use condoms and be on birth control, because I see you getting pregnant. Okay, we also have the Three of Swords here. So the scenario is starting to, not the scenario, but the reading is starting to really unfold for me. So you may be in a situation where, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing two things here. You definitely want things to move forward between you and this person, because this person is your drug. You are addicted to this person. There is no questions about that, right? You may have found out that you're pregnant. You may become pregnant. Or there could be another woman who's involved that is pregnant. Okay? But this person has broke your heart. You're heartbroken. And because there's two threes here, and honestly, when you look at the Empress, there's another three right there. I feel like this is a third party situation going on. Okay, that's what I'm feeling intuitively, very strongly. So it could be that this person cheated on you and they got someone pregnant, but you love them that much and you're so addicted to them that you don't care. You just want things to move forward with this person. You're willing to like basically look past them doing this, because you really want things to progress, right? If not, it's just like you wanting things to progress even though you know that this is toxic, even though that you know this person is not good for you, because deep down inside you feel even though you know this person is not good for you still feel like they make you feel good, if that makes sense. Even though they hurt you and you're heartbroken, you still want things to move forward because in other ways this person makes you feel good, if that makes sense. Yeah, I really do feel like this person had a third party situation going on. Was that Two of Pentacles here too? So I feel like this person could have possibly be like could have been juggling you and another person. Um, also feel like your feelings for this person can be very like up and down. It could be like a juggling act. You know, at times you really do love this person. At other times you doubt how you really feel about them, which makes sense because if this person is breaking your heart, it would make sense for you to be, you know, confused when it comes to your emotions and having, you know, this feeling of, well, sometimes I really feel in love with them and other times I feel like I don't want nothing to do with them. So it makes sense. Yeah, there's a third party situation going on here because we have the Three of Pentacles here. It's like too many threes here. So, and also keep in mind, this could be your energy. This could be you having a third party situation going on. Okay, I feel like, ooh, I'll throw it out. I feel like you may have met this person at work. For like a few of you, this could even be like you sleeping with your boss. We also have the Emperor here too. So for some of you, this could be like, yeah, you were sleeping with your boss. Or if it's not a boss, it could be like a manager. Okay. If it's not some like if you didn't meet this person at work, this is someone that you you're willing to build with this person, like you're willing to be a team player with them. It's just like this energy of like, okay, yes, you did me wrong, you betrayed me, but I'm willing to repair this with you. Like I'm willing to build with you. I'm willing to be that team player. Like I'm open to seeing how we could build something together. It's like you don't want to give up on this. But I also feel like this is you wanting to be in control. So I kind of feel like you have some control issues. Like you want to control the situation with this person because you want them that bad. So it's like you feel like by telling them, okay, yeah, you did whatever, um, you know, let's look past that. We could repair this. It's really you just wanting to be in control, is what I'm seeing. Just be honest. Yeah, you don't want to let this person go. You're trying to hold on to this person for their life. Like you're holding on to them tightly and you're having a lot of anxiety about it. So this person really got you tripping. Like, I'm gonna be real. Yeah, they got you tripping. You're bugging right now. Like, okay, so I want to see, how does this person feel about you? How's this person feeling about the Aquarius? How's this person feeling about the Aquarius? So I'm gonna be real with you guys, Aquarius. We started off with the Fool, and then we had the Ten of Swords here. So, and we also had the Seven of Cups. So this person, I don't really feel like they're ready for a committed relationship. Be real with you. I feel like this person is still very naive and they still want to explore their other options. And it does look like they have other options. And I also feel like they look at you as one of their options. I also feel like this person does not see things in a realistic way. It's almost like they're in their own world. This person could even like suffer some type of like mental illness, but they lack the ability to see things clearly. I wouldn't even be surprised if at times when you're talking to them, they're just like spaced out and daydreaming because they're just like in their own world. Um, this person does acknowledge that they betrayed you and that they backstabbed you and that they did you wrong. You know, they do acknowledge that, but at the same time, they want to be free. They don't want to be tied down. That's just not what they want to do. Um, I feel like you're dealing with someone who's very popular. Okay, that's probably why they have a lot of options. A lot of people know them and they want to explore their other options. And then we have the Knight of Pentacles reversed. So with the Knight of Pentacles being reversed, I feel like this person is just not ready to commit. They're kind of a commitment phobe. I will tell you on the good side though, they do feel like you guys have a very strong mutual connection. They do feel very very much so that you guys are compatible. It's very much so like soulmate energy. So they do feel that way for you. So I do feel like they have romantic feelings for you. So I don't feel like that's the issue. The issue is that this person is not ready to commit. So it's like if you're willing to be with someone who's not really ready to commit to you and wants to be able to explore their other options and like likes being, you know, popular and like having all these people want them, then yeah, go ahead, do your thing with this person. But if you want something super serious and for them to just be with you, they're just not ready. Okay, that's just what I'm seeing. They're not ready for that type of commitment. They love you, they care about you, they feel like you are compatible, they feel like you guys get along very well. There's a strong bond here. They definitely love having you in their life, but they're just not ready to commit. So I'm gonna ask Spirit, what advice do they have for you? So Spirit, what advice do you have for the Aquarius? What advice do you have for the Aquarius? I really do feel like y'all pregnant. Okay, look at her belly. If y'all ain't pregnant, somebody's pregnant, okay? But Spirit is saying to be patient, believe it or not. You know, why do they need to be patient? Let's see. Why do they need to be patient? Got the Hangman, the Magician. So I feel like Spirit is telling you to be patient because what I'm seeing here is like you, okay, this is why I'm saying being patient. They're like, you've done all that you could do. Okay, you've put in the work. Now you're just waiting for your fruit to labor to come in. So basically what I'm trying to say is you've shown this person who you are. There's no need for you to keep like sitting here trying to prove yourself to them and go out your way to make them think that you're more than what you are, because you've done that already. You've shown your value to this person. And it's like Spirit is saying that if you keep like trying to really like put more effort into them, it's just gonna end up with you just feeling stuck and in limbo and not knowing how to move forward. You're gonna continue to feel like this person has left you hanging. Now, if you are pregnant, I feel like Spirit is saying you need to focus more on your pregnancy and focus more on being a mother. If this person cheated on you with another woman and that other woman is pregnant, it's Spirit saying that you just have to accept that that other person is pregnant. There's really nothing you can do at this point. I feel like Spirit just wants you to focus more on manifesting, more on your abundance, more on like other areas of your life that you need to pay more attention to. And Spirit wants you to focus more on your confidence, because I feel like this situation has taken a hit on your confidence. So Spirit honestly is really saying to just be patient and wait to see what's going to happen, which I know is kind of like, why would Spirit tell me that? But I feel like Spirit is telling you that because, see, the interesting thing about Spirit is like sometimes when you ask Spirit a question, and Spirit may say, you know, don't make a decision yet. You may be like, well, dang, why isn't Spirit telling me to leave this person alone? And I feel like sometimes they tell you not to leave the person alone because for one, they know you're not gonna listen to them. So they're like, okay, we can tell you're not going nowhere. And like that's what I was seeing in the beginning of the reading. Like you're all in, you're open. So Spirit knows like you're not gonna go anywhere. You're not ready to walk away from the situation. So Spirit's like, you know what? I'm gonna respect this person's not ready to walk away, and I'm gonna allow them to learn whatever lesson they need to learn from the situation. And I feel like there's a karmic lesson that needs to be taught in this situation that you have to experience. So sometimes we have to be in a situation that isn't ideal because there's a greater purpose behind it, which is there's a lesson that you need to learn. So yeah, you guys just be patient at this point. Don't make any decisions yet. You know, and I feel like you're not ready to make a decision either. So I'm going to end this reading here, Aquarius. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead and oh, before you guys go, I gotta show you something really, really quickly. All right, guys. So I don't know if you guys remember, right? Some of you are new subscribers, some of you are old subscribers. But for the new subscribers and the old subscribers, obviously, I've been trying to get this masterclass out for a while. But like every time I would say, okay, I'm gonna get it out, something would always come up, always, and I just wasn't able to get it out. Like I would have like an overflow of readings, just like personal stuff. I would get a whole bunch of like one-on-one coaching. So it just made it where it was really hard to get this masterclass out. So I finally was able to get it done. All right. So I was saying to myself, like, I could put it out this month, right? But then I was thinking, you know what? I want to start off fresh for the new year. Because I know everyone, especially with the, the New Year's resolution, everyone wants to start off fresh. You know, we're entering 2020. So it's not even like we're just entering a new year. We're literally entering a new decade. And, I just wanted to be able to get this masterclass out as soon as possible. So it is done, but I'm not going to launch it until January, the very first week of January. All right. So if you're interested in this masterclass of learning how to remove the current blockages in your love life right now, okay, blockages, obstacles, whatever issues you're facing in your love life right now, even if you have trust issues, even if you think you don't measure up, this masterclass is for you. All right. So if you want to register for it so that you can be one of the very first people to attend it, because I'm only allowing 100 people to attend this masterclass, it would be in your best interest to just go ahead and register on the in the link in the description below. All right. So that you can make sure that you secure your spot and that you don't miss out on getting a seat for it. Yes, this masterclass is online. It's not like you have to be there physically. It's online, right? Anyways, if you guys would like to book a private reading with me in the meanwhile, all the information to do that will be in the description below. If you'd like to join my free Facebook group, all the information to do that is in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next reading. Talk to you soon. Bye.